Feeling that seasonal sniffle? You're not alone. Allergies can be tough, but did you know that certain foods can actually help reduce those pesky symptoms? Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts are great for reducing inflammation. Not only are they nutritious, but they're also delicious. And don't forget fruits and veggies like oranges, which are high in vitamin C. Citrus is known for its immune-boosting properties. Adding them to your diet can make a difference. So why not try incorporating these foods into your meals? You might find your allergy symptoms easing up. Remember, feeling good is just a plate away.